Yeah, the LAPD gave us a first-hand look at just how realistic some of these products are. The packaging looks almost identical to name brands.
A major makeup bust in LA's fashion district.
LAPD seized $700,000 worth of fake cosmetics that tested positive for bacteria.
The price pretty much tells you. I mean, if you're getting something that's 50% off, 75% off, it tells you that it's bad.
Let's keep it funky, copyright, trademarks, all that legal stuff that we deem important in America. Don't care. They don't care here.
Don't you open up that window.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you are here for another video. This video, as you can read from the title, is going to be about makeup. What kind of makeup have I found here in China? I'm pretty much a basic makeup type of person. I really like lipstick. I really like to accentuate my lips here because, you know, day popping or whatever. However, I did purchase some makeup dupes, fake makeup, whatever you want to call it, here in China. Alright, well, I'm gonna bring you some of your favorite makeup brands. So let's see what they have. If you want to keep watching, go ahead. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that way we can keep on, you know, growing. So hit that button and keep watching. Alright, so my first thing that I'm going to show you is this, it says Anastacia Beverly Hills. I have never used any of their products, even back home in the States. But I needed some brushes. Well, I wanted some brushes and they were like, oh man, I bought these a while ago. How much were these? As you can see, they have all the different kind of sizes for, I think it's good for contouring and different things. I pretty much use them for whatever I want. I purchased this dupe for Anastacia's Beverly Hills Glow Kit here. The Ultimate Glow Kit, if you can look at it, it has in the back in English metallic powder highlighters for intense luminosity. Now, if it's intense, I'm sure you're probably wondering, since it's supposed to be a makeup dupe. I have worn this several times. As you can see, I have none on right now, simply for this video, because I kind of want to show you. So right now I am getting what they call white sand. Hold on.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Everybody on a Sunday, doing all you can on Monday. Got a weekend,
I mean, you could get an idea. The rest of these I have not really touched. Like this hot sand one, I didn't really touch before. And I guess you can kind of double up on highlighters maybe. Like I said, you might want to go to Auntie Jackie or somebody, or even, you know, Patricia Bright. I watch all them gals and, you know, see what they tell you, because she over here is not gonna give you the info. Palette. I mean, you want to bling, you know, for your pictures and stuff, why not? I purchased this palette. I believe I paid like 80 kwai, so around $10. I don't know how much it is originally. I mean, I probably could go look, but like I said, I'm not a makeup guru or anything, so I really don't care. Next, I purchased MAC. Yeah, like I said, I am a lip type of gal. Some of them are missing because I gave a few of them away because it was 12. But here is some lippies. And these were like reds here, darker reds, and then the nudes here. I'm not sure if this was a thing at home, but this is the 12-in-1 lip gloss, and it has here English, says retro matte lipstick. So we're gonna try this red here, and I will say, like I was saying, I will say these dry on really fast, and I don't like how basically you can't wear them for too long.
Gave you up about 21 times.
It's slowly drying as I put this on my lips. But yeah, we're gonna let it dry so you can see how it looks as we continue. Okay, so another little, I don't know if this might be an Asian brand, but it says sleek makeup green tea compact powder. So it says 100% natural origin pressed powder green tea compact. It does not say where it is made. I just normally just use this for contour, just to give me, you know, a little bit of color back on my face, you know. Because I ran out, I brought some from home, and then I ran out and I was like, ooh, what I'm gonna do? Because I know they don't have no brown. They don't have no brown. I mean, even though I am of lighter complexion, I can probably wear like other stuff. But however, when it comes to like contouring and needing, you know, some cocoa complexion type of stuff, that's gonna be a no. I bought the makeup from was a WeChat seller, and she was labeled as African fashionista.
Felt those lips, tell me 21 lies.
You'll be the death of me.
Sage advice.
You know, some of them like to perpetrate, basically, that, you know, they're one of us. But however, I mean, it's cool. Even after I found out, I just like, I don't order that much stuff anyway. So it's not like it's a big deal for me. As you can see, it's a little situation, you know, red lip. And it's completely dry. Alright, so I also purchased this matte finish by NYX. I love me some NYX. Because I brought two when I came here, both matte finish as well as like a dewy, I can't remember the name, but I bought it from home, from the States or whatever. However, this little spray bottle is something serious. It is something serious. This is like a full-on like douse you situation.
Oh yeah, I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm king.